Top 9 Tax-free states to live in the USA for stock investors and stock option traders. Hey, stock investors and stock option traders. Tired of Uncle Sam taking a fat chunk of your hard-earned stock investment gains? Welcome to Master Rich Stocks Options Crypto channel. I've made a fortune in the stock markets by buying great companies and trading stock options. Today I'm spilling the beans on my top 9 tax-free US states to live in for stock investors and stock option traders. Taxes can significantly impact your investment returns, potentially making you a millionaire in a much shorter time if you move to the right state. Therefore, it is essential to understand the tax implications of where you choose to reside, especially if you're actively trading stocks and options. In this video, we will delve into the top 9 tax-free states, examining their advantages, tax policies, and considerations for stock investors and traders alike. At the end of the video, you should be able to choose your best tax-free state to live in the United States and save hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxes. What makes a state tax-free for investors and traders? Before we dive into specific states, let's clarify what tax-free generally means in this context. A tax-free state for investors and traders typically refers to states that do not impose income taxes on capital gains, dividends, or interest income. This exemption can lead to substantial savings for those whose income primarily stems from investments rather than traditional salary or wages. Let's set the criteria for what makes a state tax-friendly for investors and traders. 1. No state income tax. 1. States that do not impose a personal income tax on wages, salaries, or investment income, such as capital gains, dividends, and interest, are highly favorable. 2. Business-friendly environment. 2. States with pro-business policies and low regulatory burdens often attract investors and businesses alike. 3. Overall cost of living. 3. Affordability, including factors such as housing costs, healthcare expenses, and everyday living expenses, is crucial for determining the financial benefits of residency. Top 9 tax-free U.S. states for stock investors and traders. 9. New Hampshire. Welcome to the granite state of New Hampshire. Before discussing some considerations, let's explore the advantages first. New Hampshire state does not levy a state income tax on wages or salaries, making it appealing for investors and traders. However, New Hampshire state taxes on interest and dividends before 2025 tax year. The interest and dividends (I&D) tax was enacted in 1923. The tax is assessed on interest and dividend income at a rate of 5% for tax years ending before December 31, 2023, 4% for taxable years ending on or after December 31, 2023, 3% for tax years ending on or after December 31, 2024. This interest and dividend tax will be repealed effective January 1, 2025. Good news for stock investors and traders, isn't it? Moreover, the state's scenic landscapes, outdoor activities, and proximity to major metropolitan areas like Boston enhance its appeal. What are considerations that we need to make before moving? While New Hampshire does not tax earned income, interest, or dividends, property taxes can be relatively high in some regions, affecting overall affordability. So check property taxes before moving if you are concerned about paying higher property taxes. 8. Tennessee. Let's look at the advantages of the volunteer state of Tennessee. Tennessee state does not tax wage income or personal income. It used to tax dividends and interest before tax year 2021. Starting with the 2021 tax year, Tennessee has no tax on capital gains and investment income, including interest and dividends. The state's growing economy, low cost of living, and vibrant music and cultural scene make it an attractive option for investors. However, there are some considerations that you would need to make before moving. While Tennessee state offers tax advantages, potential changes in tax policies and local economic conditions should be monitored by prospective residents. 7. South Dakota. What are the advantages of South Dakota, the Mount Rushmore state? South Dakota state is known for its favorable tax climate, South Dakota has no state income tax, including no taxes on capital gains, dividends, or retirement income. The state's low cost of living and business-friendly policies make it attractive for investors and retirees. What are considerations before moving? While South Dakota offers tax advantages, residents should consider healthcare options and cultural amenities, which can vary across the state. 6. Alaska. Welcome to the last frontier, Alaska. Alaska state is unique in that it does not impose a state income tax, including no taxes on capital gains or dividends except PFD. PFD? What is PFD, you might ask? Permanent Fund Dividend, PFD, allows for Alaskans to share in a portion of the state minerals revenue in the form of a dividend to benefit current and future generations. The state's PFD provides additional financial benefits to residents. However, dividends from PFD are taxable. Is everything good in Alaska, north to the future? Well, Alaska's remote location and harsh winters may not suit everyone. For those who appreciate outdoor activities and natural beauty, it offers significant advantages in terms of tax savings. If you prefer a warmer climate, state number 1 on my list may just be your future state. 5. Wyoming. Welcome to the big Wyoming equality and cowboy state. Wyoming state is celebrated for its lack of state income tax, including no taxes on capital gains, dividends, or retirement income. The state's low cost of living, natural beauty, and business-friendly environment make it a top choice for investors seeking a quieter lifestyle. However, Wyoming's rural nature and limited urban amenities may not appeal to everyone. If you focus on tax savings and a relaxed lifestyle, Wyoming can be an ideal choice for stock investors and traders. 4. Washington. Welcome to the evergreen state of Washington. Washington state's tech industry presence and scenic landscapes may be attractive to stock investors and traders who love nature. Washington does not levy a personal income tax, making it appealing for investors and traders looking to minimize their tax burdens on investment income. However, there is a 7% tax on long-term capital gains over $262K. What do you need to consider before moving to Washington state? High sales tax rates and potential future legislative changes may affect long-term residency decisions, especially in urban areas like Seattle. 3. Nevada. Welcome to the Silver State of Nevada. Nevada state is known for its favorable tax environment with no state income tax, including no taxes on capital gains, dividends, or retirement income. The state also offers a business-friendly climate. Las Vegas, Nevada can be a fun place for single stock investors and traders. Before moving to Nevada, consider the cost of living and lifestyle in different cities. While taxes are low, the cost of living in major cities such as Las Vegas can vary, impacting affordability for residents. 2. Texas. Ready for the Lone Star State of Texas? Texas is another state that does not impose a state income tax, including no taxes on capital gains, dividends, or interest income. The state's robust economy, diverse job opportunities, and major cities like Houston and Austin appeal to many investors. However, high property taxes in some areas of Texas should be factored into overall cost calculations. However, the absence of state income tax remains a significant draw for investors and traders. Florida. Welcome to the Sunshine State of Florida. Florida state is renowned for its lack of state income tax, making it highly attractive for investors and traders seeking to maximize their investment returns. The state also boasts a vibrant business environment, a strong real estate market, and favorable weather conditions. While Florida offers tax advantages, property taxes can vary significantly depending on the location within the state. Additionally, sales tax rates can impact overall cost of living calculations. These are 9 best tax-free states to live in the U.S. for stock investors and stock option traders. Which of these are your favorite states and why? Which states would you like me to explore more for investing? Comparison and decision-making. When deciding which tax-free state is best for you as an investor or trader, several factors should be considered beyond tax policy. 1. Cost of living. 1. Look at housing costs, healthcare expenses, and everyday living expenses to determine overall affordability. 2. Quality of life. 2. Consider factors such as climate, cultural amenities, outdoor activities, and community characteristics that align with your lifestyle preferences. 3. Economic opportunity. 3. Evaluate job markets, business environments, and economic growth prospects, especially if you plan to engage in other forms of income generation or business activities. Legal and financial considerations. 1. Residency requirements. 1. Understand the rules and timelines for establishing residency in a tax-free state, including potential implications for existing assets and income. 2. Tax filing obligations. 2. Even in tax-free states, federal taxes on investment income, e.g. dividends, interest, still apply, so ensure compliance with federal tax regulations. Conclusion: choosing a tax-free state as an investor or trader can lead to significant financial benefits by minimizing tax liabilities on investment income. States like Florida, Texas, Nevada, Washington, Wyoming, Alaska, South Dakota, New Hampshire, and Tennessee offer unique advantages in terms of tax policy, cost of living, and lifestyle amenities. However, the decision to relocate should also align with personal preferences regarding lifestyle, career opportunities, and long-term financial goals. Remember to conduct thorough research and consider consulting with financial and legal professionals to make the best informed decision for your specific circumstances. What do you value the most when you think about relocating to a state? See my YouTube playlist for more videos like this. Share and subscribe to Master Rich Stocks Options Crypto.